Namaskar everyone, welcome to Azurite classes. So we will be starting with synonyms today. So does everyone know what you mean by synonym? Synonym andre gotta ellariಗೆ?
Yes, sir.
What do you mean by synonym? Tell me. Ha. Yes, the word having same meaning but different word, isn't it? Okay, good. So let us study that. So different synonyms we'll see now. Okay, good. So if you see here, synonym means same meaning. What do you mean by synonym? Same meaning. What? Same meaning. Okay, same meaning. Understood? So now let's write some of the synonyms now. Should we write some of the synonyms? Abandon. Abandon means what? Leave. Abandon means leave. Okay, good. Adversity. Adversity means what? Problem. Adversity means, so the synonym will be problem. Bonus. Bonus means what? Extra. Bonus means extra. That is, we can say bonus as award or extra. What do we can say? Award or extra. Yeah, you got bonus means award or extra. Got it? Bold. Bold means strong. Courageous. Yes, bold means strong or courageous. What? Courageous. Okay, both are fine. Got it? Brave. Brave means also courageous. Brave also means courageous. Confirmation. Confirmation means what? Yes? Ha. Confirming means verifying. What? ಕನ್ಫರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ವೆರಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ವಾಟ್? ವೆರಿಫೈಯಿಂಗ್. ವಾಟ್? ವೆರಿಫೈ. ಓಕೆ, ವೆರಿಫೈ. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್? ಡಿಟೈನ್. ಡಿಟೈನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು? ಹಿಡಿದಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು. ಹೋಲ್ಡ್. ಡಿಟೈನ್ ಸಿನೋನಿಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡ್. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್? ಅಬ್ಯಾಂಡನ್ ಸಿನೋನಿಮ್ ಈಸ್ leaving. Adversity, problems. Adversity means problems. Bonus is award or extra. Bold is strong or courageous. Brave is also courageous. Confirmation means verify. Okay, but detain means hold. So will everyone remember these synonyms? Yes. Okay, good. Should we go next? So here some more are there. Develop. Develop andre means grow. Okay. Discover. Discover means finding. Discover means find. Okay, to find. So find, to find. Distribute means, distribute means sharing, right? Divide. Distribute means sharing or dividing. Yes, distribute means sharing or dividing. Okay, sharing or dividing. What? Dividing. Got it? Yes. If you don't understand the meanings, I will let me know. ಯಾರಿಗಾದ್ರೂ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಹೇಳಬೇಕು, ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಡ್ಯಾಮೇಜ್. ಎಸ್, these are simple words, right? Yes, these are simple words. Let me know if you don't understand. Yes, anyone? So let us see. Damage means harm. Damage andre harm ಮಾಡೋದು. Okay. Eager. Eager means curious. Yes, curious. Good. Curious or eager means faster. You want to do something faster, right? You are eager, isn't it? That, like that. Exhaust. Exhaust means you are tired. I am exhaust means you are tired. You don't have any energy. Completed. Your energy has got exhausted means your energy, you don't have any energy, any more energy. Exhaust means tired. What? Tired. Got it? Encourage. Encourage means inspiring. Yes, encourage means do something. You are what? Inspiring them. What you are doing? You are inspiring. What you are doing? Inspire. Encourage means inspire. Got it? Will you remember all these synonyms? Yes? Okay na? Got it? Good. Any doubts? Okay. Good. Yes? Let me know. Let me know if any doubt. Tell me. Yes, what is the doubt? What? Which? Adversity. Adversity means problem. Adversity ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಏನಾದರೂ ಅಡ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಆಗೋದು. ಅಡ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅಡ್ವರ್ಸಿಟಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡಿಟೈನ್. ಡಿಟೈನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಡಿಟೈನಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್. ಡಿಟೈನ್. ಡಿಟೈನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಹೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಹೋಲ್ಡ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಎಸ್? ಓಕೆ, ಗುಡ್. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಗೋ ಟು ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನೌ. ಡಿಟೈನ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಹಿಡಿಯೋದು. ಡಿಟೈನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಹಿಡಿಯೋದು. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಟು ಹೋಲ್ಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಹೋಲ್ಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಹಿಡಿಯೋದು. ಡಿಟೈನ್. ಹಾ, ಸೊ ನೌ ಯು ಮೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಹರ್ಡ್ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಡಿಟೈನ್ಡ್ ದ ಥೀಫ್. ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಡಿಟೈನ್ಡ್ ದ ಥೀಫ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು? ಥೀಫ್ಗೆ ಹಿಡಿದಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಗಾಟ್ ಇಟ್? ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೌ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಸಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್. ಹ್ಯಾಬಿಚುವಲ್. Habitual means repeated. Accustomed. What we say? Accustomed. ಅಂದರೆ ಹ್ಯಾಬಿಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಯು ಮೇ ಬಿ ಸೀಯಿಂಗ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಬಿಟೆಡ್ ಟು ವಾಕ್, ಯು ಆರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಬಿಟೆಡ್ ಟು ವಾಟ್? ಸ್ಪೀಕ್, ಲೈಕ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್. ತುಂಬ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ರು, ಅವ್ರ ಹ್ಯಾಬಿಟ್ ಅದು. ರೈಟ್? ಲೈಕ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್. ಸೊ ಹ್ಯಾಬಿಚುವಲ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ accustomed. Accustomed means getting what? Getting used to. Accustomed means getting used to that. Used. Getting used means you are doing same thing repeated again and again. Getting used to that. Got it? Yes? Hard. Hard means difficult. Arey no, we are not learning antonyms, we are learning synonyms. Hard means same meaning. Difficult. What? Difficult. Horror. Horror means, yes? Scary. Horror is scary. Okay? Scary. Got it? Idle. Idle means at one place. At one place, like lazy. Still. Idle means still, or you can say still also. Means at one place only. If I keep this pen here only, this is idle. Now if I move, it is moving. Or if I keep this pen idle, it is idle. Okay? Idle means still, lazy, like that. Okay? Immense. Immense means immense, huge. What? Huge or more. Okay? Huge or more. Immense means huge or more. Independence. Independence means no dependence. Free. Freedom. Free or freedom. Okay? Free or freedom. You can say both. Got it? Freedom. Understood? Justification. What is justification? Yes? Giving clarification. Justification means giving clarification. You are justifying yourself. Means you are giving clarity about yourself or speaking about yourself. ಹೌದಲ್ಲ? ಈಗ ಏನಾದರೂ you may have done something wrong. What you will do? You will get scolding from your mother or father, right? But what you will do? I have not done for purpose, it was by mistake. So that is justification. Justification andre clarity kudodu. Clarify. What? Clarify. Got it? Yes? Will you remember all this? Now should we see the next one? Jolly. Jolly means cheerful. Cheerful. Jolly means cheerful means happy. Jolly means happy. You are being jolly. You are being happy. Like that. Jolly means cheerful means happy. Yes, it is compared to happiness. Keen. Keen andre eager. Keen andre eager. Andre bega. Yes. Keen andre bega ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. Keenly. curious you can say, eager you can say anything, right? Both those words are fine. Got it? Ha, lucky. What is lucky? Yes, what will be the synonym of lucky? Yes, anyone? Yes.
To see forward, sir.
That is the meaning. Okay.
That is the thing that we wish for.
So blessed, favored. Okay.
Good luck. Good luck.
Good luck. Yes, you can say good luck also. Lucky means favored. Favored ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಅವನು ಲಕ್ಕಿ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ, ಅವನಿಗೆ ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ. ಫೇವರ್ಡ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಫೇವರ್ಡ್ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ ಫೇವರ್ಡ್. ಆರ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ ಬ್ಲೆಸ್ಡ್, ಅವನಿಗೆ ಬ್ಲೆಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ, ಅವನಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಬ್ಲೆಸ್ಡ್, ರೈಟ್? ಬ್ಲೆಸ್ಡ್, ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ ಬ್ಲೆಸ್ಡ್ ಆರ್ ಫೇವರ್ಡ್. ಗಾಟ್ ಇಟ್? ಗುಡ್. ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಆಗ್ರಿ. ಈಗ ಅವಂದು ಇಬ್ಬರದು ಮ್ಯಾಚ್. ಈಗ ನೀವು ಏನಾಯಿತು, ಹಾಂ ಇಬ್ಬರದು ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವ. ಈಗ ನೀವು ಇಬ್ಬರು ಸೇಮ್ ಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಂತೀರಿ? ಎಸ್, ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ isn't it? Same. Agree also like same. We agree on the same thing. ಇಬ್ರು agree ಆಗಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಅಂದರೆ agree. Okay, got it? matching like that. Next, nature is environment, surrounding, right? Nature synonym is surrounding, atmosphere. Yes, environment, isn't it? Environment, surrounding, okay, nature, atmosphere, okay, like that. All these are synonyms. Obedient. Are you all obedient students? Yes or naughty students? Yes, you are obedient. You are all good students, right? Obedient means one who follows, right? Yes, silent, calm. You are all silent and calm students. Good. Obedient means one who follows. So listener, okay, who listens.
Listens to everyone.
Ha. So obedient, okay. Ha. What?
One who follows the rules.
Ha. Yes.
Sir, peaceful also.
Okay, good. So here we can say it as good or compliant. What we can say? Good or compliant. Good. Compliant ಅಂದ್ರೆ who complies, follows the rule. Compliant ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು? Compliant. ಓಕೆನಾ? Got it? Good. So next, omit ಅಂದ್ರೆ omit it, delete, remove. What? Delete or remove. Okay, got it? Understood?
Sir, it has other meaning also.
Yes. What is the meaning? Yes. Okay, good. So omit means delete or remove. Understood? Yes. Any doubts in these synonyms?
No, sir.
Good. So you should know
No, sir.
all the synonyms. Okay, should we go next now? Passive and active. Active ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಅಥವಾ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್. Passive means what? What do you mean by passive?
Sir, tremendous.
Tremendous ಅಲ್ಲ. Okay, so it is
Slow.
submissive. Okay.
Passive.
Passive ಅಂದ್ರೆ it is
Lazy.
no. Passive means active and passive ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿರ್ತೀರಾ. ಸೊ passive means ನಾನ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟಿವ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು? ಐ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಪ್ಯಾಸಿವ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಯಾಸಿವ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್. ಪ್ಯಾಸಿವ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಸೊ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟೆಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಗಾಟ್ ಇಟ್? ಹಾಬೀಸ್ ಅಂತಲೂ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಐ ಡೂ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಪ್ಯಾಸಿವ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಹಾಬೀಸ್ ಥರ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ if you want to go properly, like acquiescent or unresisting. Okay, got it? Yes. Ha. So here passive means as a hobby, or you can remember it as a extra work. Okay, like that. So passive means extra, as a extra or as a hobby. Okay, or if you want to remember it as what, you can remember it as unresisting. What? Resistance, unresistance. Resistance is opposing, unresistance means non-opposing. Okay, you can remember like that. Postpone, postpone, don't postpone, you may have heard. Postpone means delaying, that is delay means making,
Do not delay
ha,
others.
yes, making, taking more time, right, taking more time than required, delay, postpone. Okay, praise, yes, good. Praise means what? Praise means
Appreciate.
appreciate. Okay, yes. Ha. So praise is appreciate or applaud. Applaud. Applaud means you have done good work, like that, right? Appreciate or applaud. Okay. Appreciate. Up. Huh? Praise. Proud is different, beta. Proud is different. Okay. So praise means you are ಹೊಗಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. ಹೊಗಳೋದು ಅಂದರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ಲ, you are appreciating or you are applauding. Okay. Pray. Pray means what? You know, that is we pray. Ha. Yes. Blessings, taking blessings. Ha. So we pray means, pray synonym is what?
Blessing.
Taking blessing. Okay, yes, taking blessing. Or ask or urg, we urg the god, right? We ask to the god, so we can say ask or take blessing or urg, isn't it? We urg to the god that we should get selected in Sainik school, Navodaya school, isn't it? We will pray, we will urg. Okay, like that. So ask or urg, got it? Yes, good. So next word is prevent. What is next word? Huh?
Prevent meaning it is to protect.
Stop. Yes, prevent means to stop or protect. Okay, yes. So stop or protect, got it? Stop or protect. Okay,
Protect.
good. Next, quarrel. Quarrel means fight, ಜಗಳ ಆಡೋದು. Dispute or fight. Okay, argument. Argument ಅಂತಾನೂ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Argument ಅಂದರೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್, ಲೈಕ್ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್, ಕ್ವಾರೆಲ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಕ್ವಾರೆಲ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಫೈಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಸೇಮ್. ಕ್ವೈಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಸೈಲೆಂಟ್, ರೈಟ್? ಸೈಲೆಂಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಗುಡ್. ಸೈಲೆಂಟ್. ವಿಲ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಒನ್ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ದಿಸ್? ಎಸ್, ಗುಡ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ರಿಯಲೈಸ್. ರಿಯಲೈಸ್ ಈಸ್ fulfill or get what you want. Realize means get what you want or get to know. ಈಗ ನನಗೆ ರಿಯಲೈಸ್ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, get to know things or get to fulfill the things. Raise. Raise means I raise the pain. I raise the pain. Okay, so what will be the synonym here?
Rise, sir.
Raise. It is raise. R-A-S-E it is. Raise. So I raise the pen. Here it was I raise the pen. I am what? Lifting the pen. I am lifting the pen, right? Raise. Raise means picking up, right? Lift. Got it? Lift. Release. Release means, yes? Leave. No. Left is different. Release is leaving. Okay, or making, setting free. So we set free, right? Free. Release is setting it free or let go, liberate. Okay, like that. Or free or liberate. Liberate means making free, living free. Okay. Rigid. Rigid means stiff, that is strong. Stiff means that is strong, very strong. Okay, so when it is very much strong, we say it as rigid. Okay, got it? Yes, any doubt? Tell me. Rude. Now rude is there, right? So what is the synonym of rude? Yes, polite, impolite. You may have seen rude is impolite. What? Impolite. Got it? That is impolite means what? So here if you know, okay, good. So here rude means very bad, right? So impolite, polite means nicely, impolite means opposite of that, right? Okay, good. Or ill mannered, like that. Understood? What? Bully, yeah, bully is different, little different, right? Bully, rude is not bully. Okay, you are being rude, you are being bully is a action. Bully is a action. Not rude is what? It is a feeling. Rude is a feeling. Okay. Impolite, or you can say it as what? That is ill mannered, bad manner, like bad manner or ill manner. Okay. Got it? Next, significant. Significant means important. No, important. Significant means important or huge. Okay, got it? Significant means important or huge or critical or important. Important, right? Significant means important, main, it is main thing, like that. Or you can say it as critical. Critical means that is also same. Okay, important. Understood? Okay, good. Next, strange. Strange means new, weird, right? Strange means new, weird, unknown. Okay, yes, new, you can say weird, or you can say it as unknown. Yes, unknown, those are all synonyms. Odd, different, you can write so many, isn't it? Okay, good. Should we go next now? Any doubts? Yes. What?
Sir, you could also say sketchy, sir.
Sketchy.
Yes, sir.
Sketchy is different, beta. Sketchy, strange, sketchy is different. Sketchy means you have planned. What you are doing is you are planned and you are doing calculations, like that. That is different. Okay. So see here, struggle. Struggle means working hard, right? What? Working hard, isn't it? So struggle. Ha. Yes. So struggle means working hard or to wrestle, to fight, right? So like that. So hard work, right? Struggle means hard work, and then after that will be what? To fight. You are struggling, you are fighting, like that, right? You are fighting, isn't it? Or you are wrestling, fight, wrestling, both are same thing. Okay, so like that. Got it? Next, tough means aggressive or strong. It is very tough, it is very aggressive, it is very strong, isn't it? Like that. Okay. Teach. Teach means synonym will be what? Yes, don't say learn. Don't say learn. Learn is different, teach is different, right? So word of teach is educate, instruct, educating. You are educating someone, right? Educate, instruct, educate, or instruct. Instruct means you are giving, your coach or coach, coaching or guide, guiding, both are what? All of these are synonyms. Got it? Yes, these are all what? Synonyms. Coach, educate, instruct, those are all. Now let's see the trust. What is the? Yes, trust.
Believing others.
Yes, believing, right? Belief. We can say it as belief, faith. What? B-L-I-E-F. Belief, faith. You may have faith in them. That is trust, right? So like that. Or confidence. You can also say confidence, isn't it? Good. Variety. Variety means diversity or different things. Yes. Difference. Okay. Different. Like that. So will everyone remember all these synonyms? Yes. You have to keep on learning all the synonyms. Okay. Fine.
Yes.
Good.
Yes, sir.
Good. So should we go next now? Here.
Yes, sir.
Let's go to the antonyms. What? So synonym exercise we will solve. We'll solve some of the questions now. Okay. So see here. Huh. So for the first, adversity, what is the answer? Adversity is
Difficult.
difficult or problem, right? So answer will be option B. Isn't it? Bonus. What is the synonym of bonus? More. Okay. Yes, extra, more. Here, more. Okay. Here, award is also there. It will not be because more suitable is more, extra. Got it? Huh. So next, confirmation. Confirmation means proof, clarification, clarity, proof, right? So that will be the answer. Got it? Next, hard. What is the synonym of hard? Bring, give, punish, difficult. Yes, difficult. Got it? Next, exhaust. Exhaust. What is the synonym of exhaust? Deplete, polite, happy, close. Deplete. Yes, deplete means it is completed or very less. Deplete means less. Understood? Okay, good. So let's see the next thing. Rude, barbaric, good, odd, sit. So what will be the answer? Barbaric. Okay, barbaric means being impolite or bad manner. Good. Strange, secular, wide, odd, different. Differ. Odd. Odd means different. That is strange. Okay. Postpone, suffer, delay, foolish, full. Delay. Okay. Damage. Damage. Harm, give, punish, borrow. Harm. Damage is harming. Okay. Omit. What will be the omit? Yes, remove. Option A. Got it? So will everyone remember these synonyms? Okay. Should we go next now to the antonyms? Yes? So let us see antonyms. Antonyms means opposite words. What? Opposite words. Okay na? Opposite in meaning. That is opposite words in meaning. Okay? Got it? Should we see now? Yes. So see here. Always. Always opposite will be. Always means every time. Opposite will be never. What it will be? Never. Okay. Begin. Begin means starting. End. Okay. Awake. Awake means alert.
Asleep.
You can say asleep, right? Awake and asleep, right? Okay, good. Next, day. Day opposite is night. Okay. Narrow. Narrow means smaller. Wide. Right? Wide. Okay. Good. So next, what is the word? Buy. Sell. False. False will be true. Yes, everyone knows. You are all good students, right? Very good. Yes, you should tell like this and you should remember. Will you remember?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Okay, good. Should you go next?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Useful will be useless, right? Useless. Life is death. Far. Far means away, right? It will be near, isn't it? It will be near. Okay. Enjoy. Enjoy is enjoy means being happy. Yes. Unhappy. Okay. Good. Yes. Okay. हाँ.
Worry.
Okay. Yes.
Next one, relaxed.
Okay. Enjoy me. Opposite word will be what? Hate or unlike. Okay. So enjoy, worry. You can say worry also. You can say hate also. Enjoy and hate or worry. Okay. Fine. Both. Fast. Fast opposite is slow. Up will be down. Okay. Good. Happy will be unhappy or sad. Okay. We say both. Unhappy or sad. Okay na? Good. Will you remember all of this? Yes? Ah. Next. Victory. Victory means winning. You may have seen the students take like this. Yes, they do like this and take the photo, right? Victory it is. Victory means winning. Opposite of winning is losing. Lose. Victory and lose or loss. Okay, both are fine. Loss. Possible. What will be opposite? Impossible. Okay. Impossible. Good. Cold. Cold will be warm. Dirty. Clean. Dirty opposite is clean. Before, after. Right? After. Okay. Good. Clever. Clever. Foolish. Yes. Foolish. Good. Very good. You're all telling the answers, right? Good. Very good. So now fail. Fail will be win. Got it? Good. Very good. So now should we see now next? Love. Love opposite is hate. Okay? Hate. Good. Difficult. Easy. Poor. Rich. Early. Yes. Early. Late. Yes. Presence. Absence. It is absence. What? Absence or absent. You may have seen. You are being absent like that. Right? Absence. Friend. Enemy. Enemy. Okay? Good. Kind. Unkind or rude. Unkind or rude. Both are fine. Unkind or rude. Okay? Fine? Good. So will you remember these antonyms? Should we see next? Yes, beta.
We can tell for kind.
Huh?
Cruel also, no, sir?
Kind and
Cruel.
cruel. Yes, you can say cruel also. That is also fine. Okay? Good. So should we see next now? Forget is remember. Beautiful, ugly. Okay? Good. Lend. Lend is
Unbeautiful also fun, no, sir?
no. Unbeautiful. We don't say unbeautiful. Okay? Like that. Lend. Lend is giving. Borrow. Right? Lend means giving. Borrow means taking. Guilty. Guilty antonym is yes. Guilty means what? I am feeling guilty means it is if you have done something wrong, what you will feel? You will feel bad, right? That is guilty. So if you have not done, so if you have not done anything bad, what you will be? You will be innocent, isn't it? So you will be innocent. So guilty is opposite word innocent. If you have not done anything wrong, you are innocent. Okay? Good. So old opposite is new. Attack. Attack opposite. Yes? Huh? Defend. Yes. Attack and defend. Okay? Good. Defend. Next. Punish. Opposite. Yes? Yes? Ha. No. We don't say okay, blessed. Punish is giving something punishment. If you don't give punishment, what you will do? You will pardon. You will say what? You will leave him. Pardon. What do we say? Pardon. Pardon me means don't punish me. Antartha. Right? Yes? Pardon. Okay? Got it? Next, let us see here rude. Rude opposite is kind. Yes, rude opposite is kind. Next, transparent is we can see through. So which you cannot see through is opaque. Okay. Next, virtue. Virtue is virtue means what? Does anyone know?
No, sir.
Yes.
No, sir.
Ha. Here virtue meaning doing something good. Okay. You may have seen virtue and vice. Yes. Ha. A good thing. Okay. So opposite will be vice. What will be opposite? Vice. Virtue and vice. Okay. Like that. Mature. I just yesterday have told you a word. Mature. Amateur. What? Amateur. Okay. Amateur. International is national. Okay. National. Fine. Next, exterior will be interior. Okay. Good. Deep will be deep and shallow. Right? Okay. Good. Good. So should we go next? Huh. Here classic. Classic means old. If it is new, what do we say? Modern. Right? Modern. Okay. Good. Trust. Trust opposite is belief. Trust means belief. If you don't trust, what do you say? Yes? Distrust. Distrust or doubt. Right? Distrust or doubt. I am doubting you. Right? Like that. Doubt. Got it? Wide. Narrow. It has come. Honest. Dishonest. Honest. Dishonest. Okay? Dishonest. Obey. Disobey. What? Disobey. Okay? Agree. Disagree. Okay? Yes. Disagree. Next is blunt. Sharp. Blunt means very pointed like this. Point is there, right? Like that. Blunt means it is very not sharp. Okay, like that. Okay? Blunt. So sharp and blunt. Permanent. Temporary or impermanent? Temporary or impermanent? What? Impermanent. Okay? Got it? Next, soft opposite hard. Okay? Top opposite bottom. Okay? Good. Sunny, rainy. Okay? Or cloudy. Rainy or cloudy. You can say both. Okay? Rainy or cloudy. Okay? Pure, impure or mix. Okay? Pure or impure or mix. Peace, opposite war. Knowledge, knowledge opposite, huh? In knowledge, huh? Yes. Knowledge opposite. No. Ignorance or illiterate. When you have knowledge, what do you say? You are good, you are clever. So when you are not clever, ignorant, right? Ignorant or ignorance, or what we can say, it as illiterate, right? Illiterate means you don't have knowledge, like that. Illiterate. Understood? Yes. Good. Should we go next now? Yes. See here. Include. Include means taking inside. Opposite of include is antonym exclude, right? Exclude will be the answer. Very good. Exclude, right? Exclude. Include, exclude. Okay. Next, frequent. Frequent means again and again. Yes. Frequent. Infrequent. What do we say? हाँ. So frequent, infrequent or very less time means few, isn't it? Infrequent or few. Got it? Few. Understood? Okay. Next, blame. Blame means scolding. Praise. Familiar. Familiar means you know this. Unfamiliar. I am unfamiliar. What? Ha. Familiar opposite is I am unfamiliar. They say right? Or I don't know. Like that. Unfamiliar. Familiar. Unfamiliar. Okay. Ha. Next, sin. Sin opposite. Sin means committing something bad. So committing something good. What do we say? Yes?
It's a bad
Yes. Virtue. Vice and virtue was there, right? Virtue means doing something good. Vice means doing something bad. Sin. And
So bad.
ha. So sin means bad. Virtue means good. Okay, doing good thing. Real will be unreal. Unreal or fake. Yes. Fake also unreal. We can say unreal also. Right? Okay, good. Ha. Black and white. That is easy. You already know. Yes? Isn't it? Okay, good. So will everyone remember all these antonyms? Should we solve some questions now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So let's go to the questions now.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes?
Yesterday, why you didn't send the homework, sir?
I told, right? You have to write from the video. Did I say or not? You write down these questions, okay, from the video. I post in the YouTube, isn't it? That video you have to see and write the questions, okay? Fine? Good.
Okay, sir.
So awake. Now let us see the antonym exercise. Awake, sleep or asleep. Narrow, wide. Enjoy, suffer, happy, foolish, full. Suffer. Yes, enjoy and suffer. These are opposite words, antonyms, isn't it? Okay, good. Next, lend. Lend opposite word? Borrow. Okay. Rude. Rude opposite word? Polite. Okay. Good. Next, victory. Opposite? Defeat. Mature. Immature, amateur. Okay, good. Immature. Next, classic. Opposite? Modern. Far. Opposite? Near. Good. Obey. Opposite? Yes, disobey. Okay, disobey. Understood? Next. So this is how you have to remember all the synonyms and antonyms. Will you remember all of them? Okay, good. So remember them and practice. Okay. So thank you for watching, everyone. Just wait a minute, beta. So everyone should do all these homework questions. Write it down. All the antonyms, synonyms from the video. Okay. So will everyone write? Write them all. Okay. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.